the iCharge guard. An incredibly simple installation for a phenomenal device. So here we start with a typical North American electrical wall outlet and plate. So we will take the center screw, remove it. Then we will plug our power adapter and our USB end of our charge cord into the socket. Then we will feed the other end of the power cord through the opening in the iCharge guard. Just like that. Then we will reinstall a different screw, which this is called a 6-star with its own special screwdriver. You do not have these laying around the house. Which means if you don't have them laying around the house, none of your friends, family members, roommates can take them. Because guess what? The end of this screwdriver does not work. That's the key to the iCharge guard. Nope, you're not taking this cord.